Okay guys, a quick demo of this Brother electronic typewriter. It comes with a cover, and I mean the typewriter has some wear on it, but it's in good shape. It's got, you know, just some normal wear. Typewriter is an AX-250 model. Let's go ahead and feed a piece of paper in. Trying to work around this camera here. We'll feed it in, and you can lift this little guard thing up and you drop it back. This releases the paper so you can slide it around and adjust it or whatever you got to do. And then you just do that, it locks it back down. Turn it on. It'll go through a quick little, I don't know, boot up sequence, whatever you want to call it, and then we'll do a test. This is a test for eBay. And I'll feed that up and we'll zoom in so you can take a look at it. There you go. This is a test for eBay. So the ribbon that's in it is used. It only comes with the one ribbon. So probably the first thing you want to do is buy a new ribbon. The other thing to mention is it does have a correct feature. I'll type misspelling, and you can see there's a correct button here. It'll go back and erase the last character, or you can do word out or line out right here. So it does not have the correction ribbon in the typewriter. You'll have to buy the correction ribbon. The correct function works, but the correction ribbon is not in the machine, so you'll have to buy one of those and put it in. Looks like pretty easy install. This is the main typewriter ribbon here. It just lifts right out and you can replace it, and the correction ribbon runs between here through here to here, and it's just out. It's gone. So, and then if you get a new ribbon, regular typewriter ribbon, it just drops in like this and then snaps in, and then that's easy enough. You close it down and you're ready to go. Well, in this case I have some paper in the way. But yeah, nice little electronic typewriter, and works well. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye-bye.